The 2021 GMC Yukon key fob uses a CR2032 battery. Replacement is simple and requires only a small flathead screwdriver or coin. Locate the seam on the back of the fob. Carefully insert the screwdriver or coin into the slot and gently twist to pry the case open. Avoid excessive force to prevent cracking the plastic. Newer fobs feature snap-fit designs to reduce breakage, but caution is advised. Opening the fob gives you access to the battery compartment. With the fob open, locate the CR2032 battery, noting the correct orientation. The positive side should be up, usually marked with a plus symbol. Use a non-conductive tool like a plastic pry tool to gently remove the old battery. Insert the new CR2032 battery in the correct orientation to avoid short circuits. Reassemble the fob by snapping the two halves back together. Ensure it's securely closed. Test the fob by pressing the buttons to confirm functionality. A key fob low battery message on the dashboard indicates a low battery, but range degradation is also a symptom. GMC recommends replacement every 2 to 3 years per bulletin PI-2E234.